शुरू में था मतलब ये कि मैंने वाज इन बांग्लादेश, इस पाकिस्तान, तो वहाँ पे हमारा घर था और घर के साथ गार्डन था जिसमें फ्लावर एंड वेजिटेबल्स हम लोग लगाते थे। जब हमने व्हेन आई बॉट दिस प्लॉट देन वी अगेन स्टार्टेड हाउ डू आई फील दैट इवन ए स्मॉल सीड्स so powerful that it breaks the soil and gets out of it. तो ये तानी है ये, और इसी से वो बनेगा ये कपड़े। ये कलर कौन सा है ये? And when it grows slowly and gradually, you can feel the process of evolution. If you make the people realize that you are important, if you build the confidence, if you make effort to get the people together, if they keep on thinking of joint cooperative action, this is what we are doing. And in the beginning, it was an individual loan to micro enterprises. In the rural areas, the city formed the cooperatives. Only 15 date growers came together. And now in Khairpur, this is a cooperative of 2,500 date growers. We started a livestock cooperative farming, only for women. Reading books, gardening, listening music, meeting friends. These are the four my hobby you can say. मैं यहाँ पे रात के वक्त I spend most of the time till 2-3 in the night. How to be detached when you are attached. It means keep yourself aside and look what really exists. डॉक्टर अख्तर हमीद ख़ान की याद में है कि वो जिसने फ़िक्र दिया, हिम्मत एतमाद दिया, कदीम वज़ा को एक तर्ज़ इस्तिहाद दिया। हाँ भाई अमान साहब क्या हो रहा है? वो बना रहे हैं, वॉलंटरी वगैरह हो रही है सब। अमल को इल्म से जोड़ा, खिरत को इश्क के साथ। दिस इज़ आवर रिकवरी सेक्शन। अमल को इल्म से जोड़ा, खिरत को इश्क के साथ, कहीं बग़र्ज़ तग़य्युर, कहीं बशर्त सबात। नायला, शी इज़ आवर जॉइंट डायरेक्टर ऑफ OCT. कमर सुल्ताना, शी डील्स विद द क्लाइंट्स, शी गिव्स लोन, एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म एंड शी रिसीव्स एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म। हाँ भाई क्या हो रहा है?
कुछ चीज़ें समझो मैंने
द प्रेजेंट माइक्रो फाइनेंस प्रोग्राम, it was started in 1987, but before that we were involved in economic development. OPP found that the first and foremost problem and issues was the sanitation. Last month I bought 3 glasses. All were 3 lost. Average 1 per month. I don't believe in corporate culture. Corporate culture means just you order and one has to obey. I think that here I never took decision. Something once comes in my mind, I have meetings, try to get consensus, and if even if I think that what I think is right, and if the team has not realized, then I differ. Yeah, I have 3 glasses, one is in my car, one is in here, and one in my house. If I'm going to the plane, I keep on reading and I put in front pocket and then I go. क्या कितना है? आपके? क्यों? We are divided into 7 zones, and one supervisor is responsible for one zone. But you can't depend upon the supervisor only. What is the role of supervisor is just to initial verification. When I started with institutional development program, there was no Khajji Cooperative Society in those days. They came to me that I heard your name in Islamabad. You support the social activist. I need support. Whether the applicant has the business, the assets, or whatever is written in the application, whether it is right or wrong. मैंने कहा what support you need? मैंने कहा I need financial support of 198,000 rupees to buy materials. This is the time, and if you don't buy the materials right now, you will suffer. I just give 198,000 rupees. If you ask me what was the factor, I can't give you in words. Because our motive is to promote the business, not to take money and return on interest. And when I keep on working with the community, keep on talking with them, I realize that these people, they know the art of survival.